This 2008 Toyota Tundra has the 5.7 liter V8 engine in it. It's four-wheel drive and it has a clean title. This truck is in very good condition, both cosmetically and mechanically. It's got some nice aftermarket rims on it, and the interior is very clean. You can see even with those gray seats, there's not any stains. There aren't any tears or anything in it. And then it is the double cab. So here's the back seat, and that's very clean as well. It's got 142,000 miles on it, and it is $16,995. Come check it out.